Let us focus on second example. So our example is using finite difference method, find nodal displacement for cantilever as shown in given beam. So in that problem, diagram is given. So diagram is a cantilever beam AB. Over this beam 6 kilonewton per meter UDL is at. Its total span is 8 meter. That means from A point to B point span is 8 meter. Okay, then solution is, in that first step, divide the beam into 4 equal parts. That means 8 divided by 4 is nothing but in between two node total distance is 2 meter. Then next, assume dummy node 0 towards left of fixed support. So here assume dummy node. Then next is step number second. Draw bending moment diagram. Bending moment diagram means total load, take moment at point A. So here this node point 1, 2, 3, 4 and over this B point node point is 5. Then next take moment at node 1. So our UDL is 6 kilonewton per meter. That means 6 into total distance is 8. That is WL square divided by 2. That means 6 into 8 square divided by 2. That is 192. So here 192 kilonewton meter. Then next take moment at second node. So from second node point up to 5 node point total UDL is 6 kilonewton and distance from second node to fifth node distance is 6 meter. That means take moment at second node. UDL is 6 into length is 6 meter. That means 6 square divided by 2. That is here moment at node is 108. Then next at third take moment at third nodal point. From third nodal point up to fifth our UDL is 6 kilonewton per meter and distance is 2 plus 2 is nothing but 4. That means 6 into 4 square divided by 12. 6 into 4 square divided by 2. That means 48. So approximately here 48 kilonewton meter. Then at fourth node point take moment at fourth node point. So W is 6 into distance is 2. 2 square divided by 2. So our value is 12 kilonewton meter. Okay, and at point B 0. So our bending moment diagram is like that. Then next step number third, that is draw M upon EI diagram. That means step number third, draw M upon EI diagram. Same diagram, only EI is added. So here EI divided by EI. Okay. Then next step number 4. In that, apply initial boundary conditions. So y1 is equal to 0 and y2 is equal to y0, or y0 is equal to y2. So this is due to symmetry on both sides of fixed support. Then next, step number 5. Apply central finite difference equation to each node. Okay, so equation is y base to n minus 1 minus 2y base to n plus y base to n plus 1 is equal to h square into m base to n divided by EI. Okay, so in that y is nothing but deflection, then h is nothing but total span divided by 4. That means 8 divided by 4 is nothing but 2 meter, and m is movement. Then next, apply this equation firstly at node 1. That means n is equal to 1. So our equation is y base to n minus 1. So our n is 1. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 minus 2y1 plus y base to n plus 1. That means 1 plus 1 is nothing but y2 is equal to, our h is 2. So here h square into mn, that is at first nodal point our moment is 192. So here moment is 192 divided by EI is constant. Okay, so this is equation number first. Then put y0, we know that y0 is equal to y2. So here put y0 is equal to y2 in equation 1 and y1 is equal to 0. So here over this y0, so put here y2 minus, we know that value of y1 is equal to 0. So that's why this whole term is equal to 0. Then remaining is this y2 is equal to, here h square, that means 2 square into 192 is nothing but 768 divided by EI. Then this y2 get 2y2. Okay, 2y2 is equal to 768 divided by EI. Then y2 is equal to this 2 multiply by with 768. So answer is multiply by, so divide 768 divided by 2. Okay, so 768 divided by 2, so answer is 384 divided by EI. So this is our final y2 value. Then next, take second nodal point. That means n is equal to 2. So our equation is y n minus 1, that means 2 minus 1 is nothing but y1 plus 2y2 plus yn plus 1, that is 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3, is equal to h is 2 square into then m base to n, that means n is m base to 2, that means second moment at second nodal point, that is 108 divided by EI. So in that put this value, y1 value is equal to 0. Then we know that value of y2 is equal to 384. Okay, so here 2 into in bracket 384 divided by EI plus y3 is equal to 2 square into 108 is nothing but 432 divided by EI. Okay, here minus sign because of Hawking bending moment. Okay, so answer is, from this equation we get, this is equation number 2nd, and from this equation we get y3 value. So solve this equation, and you can also directly solve in Calc. So 2 into 384 plus y3 is equal to minus 432. So our answer is, that means y3 is equal to minus 1200 divided by EI is constant. So this is final answer, that is deflection at third nodal point is minus 1200 divided by EI. Then next, take third node point, that means n is equal to 3. So our equation is y base to n minus 1 plus, sorry, here minus 2yn plus yn plus 1 is equal to h square into m base to n divided by EI. Okay, so here in that n is 3, so put these values in this equation. Y 3 minus 1 is equal to y2 minus 2y3 plus n plus 1 is nothing but 3 plus 1 is equal to y4 is equal to h is 2 square into mn, that means moment at third nodal point. So you can see here in bending moment diagram, moment at third nodal point is 48 and moment at fourth nodal point is 12. So here moment at third nodal point is 48 divided by EI. Okay, then we know that value of y2 is nothing but minus 384 divided by EI plus, sorry, here minus 2 into bracket, we also know that y3 value, that means deflection at third nodal point is minus 1200 divided by EI plus y4 is equal to 2 square into 48 192. So here minus 192 divided by EI, minus because of Hawking bending moment. So solve this equation. This is equation number 3rd. So answer is here minus 384 minus 2 into bracket minus 1200 plus y4 value is equal minus 192. So our final answer is 2208. Okay, that means y4 is equal to minus 2208 divided by EI. So this is our final deflection at fourth nodal point. And the last, take fourth nodal point, that means n is equal to 4. Okay, put these values in this equation. This is given equation. So y 4 minus 1, that means 3y3 minus 2y base to 4 plus y n plus 1, that means 4 plus 1 is nothing but y5 is equal to h is 2 square into mn, that is moment at fourth nodal point is 12 kilonewton per meter divided by EI. Okay, then put y3 value and y4 value in this equation and then we get y5, that means deflection under fifth nodal point. So our y3 value is minus 1200 divided by EI minus 2 into bracket y4th value is minus 2200 and 8 divided by EI plus y5 is equal to 2 square into 12, that means 48. So here 48 divided by EI, here minus sign because of Hawking bending moment. Then solve this equation. This is equation number 4. Bracket close plus y5 is equal to minus 48. Okay, so our final answer is, that means y5 value is 3264 divided by EI minus. Okay, so this is deflection at fifth nodal point. Okay, so this is our final answer. Thank you.